When you buy an older house, one of the things that you think about immediately is updating the electrical because it can be costly. So I have my friend Joe, an electrician, and he's going to tell us a little bit about what the top 3 things are that we need to think about before we buy.
Electrical service, knob and tube wiring, and grounded outlets.
Okay, so electrical service, what does that mean?
That's the power box on the side of your house that feeds power to your house.
Okay, and that just has to be updated one time?
Yes.
Okay. And then knob and tube. I've heard a lot about knob and tube, and I get mixed messages. Do we have to replace it all? Can we replace just part of it?
You can replace just part of it. A lot of times, insurance companies, they will insure homes as long as they don't see the knob and tube. So when you're in the attic, you see knob and tube, they want that cleaned up, or in a crawl space, they want that also cleaned up.
Okay. And is there risk to knob and tube being in the house if you don't take it all out?
There can be. It's going to depend on the size of the breaker or fuse that is controlling or running through the wire. If it's too high, it'll cause heat and possibly catch the wire on fire.
Right.
Or if there's insulation. Insulation, it's not rated for insulation.
Okay. And the last thing?
Grounded receptacles. Yeah, so a lot of times when you go into an older home, you see 2-prong receptacles, which means it's not grounded. If you want to put grounded receptacles in without having to replace the wire, you just use a GFI breaker or a GFI receptacle. And then sometimes when you go into a house that has grounded outlets, they're not necessarily grounded, so
Okay.
you have to do the same thing.
Okay. Thanks, Joe. Great information.